How to Spray Paint by Krylon. In this video, we'll show you how to spray paint metal, wood, and plastic surfaces with Krylon Fusion All-in-One spray paint. Before you begin, gather your materials. You'll need a drop cloth, light grit sandpaper, lint-free cloths, rubber gloves, a protective mask, and of course, your cans of Krylon. Let's get started. First, lay down your drop cloth to protect your area. Always spray paint in a well-ventilated space. Remove loose paint and rust with sandpaper or a wire brush. All surfaces should be clean, dull, and dry. Now, shake your can of Krylon for 1 to 2 minutes. With Krylon Fusion All-in-One, no matter what material you're spraying, no primer is needed. Spray in a sweeping motion, side to side, slightly overlapping between sprays. Avoid drips by spraying 8 to 10 inches from your surface. Wait 1 minute between coats. Apply multiple coats as needed and wait for your project to dry. And you're done! Krylon Fusion All-in-One takes the guesswork out of spray painting metal, wood, or plastic surfaces. What will you spray paint next?